Hello, now it is time for you to get a shareable link for your project. And I know many of you used Google Docs or Google Slides to do that. And I want to show you the correct way to share your link so that other people can actually view it. It's very tempting to want to copy this link up here and copy and paste it to the form. That will not work. That link will take everybody to your Google Drive and they will not be able to get into your Google Drive. So resist that temptation. Instead, what you're going to do is click on the share button and you are going to use the advanced settings. This is a little bit different than what you normally do. Use the advanced settings. And right here where it says private only, you can access, you need to change that to this one right here, on. Anyone with the link, anyone who has the link can access, no sign-in required. We're going to use that one since we're all learning from home and some of us are using different devices. You also don't want this to say, oh, we do want this to say can view. If you want, you can open up the comments so other people can comment on it. But for the most part, you don't want them to be editing your project. You want either can comment or can view. And you're going to save that. This right here is the link that you are going to want to copy. So you're going to highlight that and do Control-C, copy it. Then you're going to go back to your daily log and you need to choose which team are you on. If you're on the green team, click there. If you're on the silver team, you click there. And the Google form is going to open up. And what you need to do is type your first name and you're going to capitalize it because it's a proper noun. Then you're going to write your last name. Then you're going to do a real quick description of whatever yours is. Then you are going to put the shareable link, right there. And then you are going to submit it. So once you do that, it should work and we will be able to see your project. Thanks so much.